magmukbang ako sa asawa kong apam. Magluluto ako ng steam na okra. Hinugasan ko muna ng asin dahil ayaw kong natin. Ayan, may talong. Talong naman, hugasan natin. Lagyan na natin ng asin. Ayan. Ayan na, niluto ko na sila. Ni-steam na ako ha guys. Ayan na. Okay. Ayan na, mag-start na tayo ng prito. Ayan. Lagyan natin itong isda. Ayan. Ayan. Kasi itong apat dito. Ayan na siya. Ayan. Ayan. Ngayon po, naluluto na yung okra at saka yung talong ko, eggplant na in-steam ko. So, kainin natin yung asawa ko. So, ayan na guys. Magbubukbang kami ng asawa ko. May danggit, may pusit, may isda po siya na makarel. Ayan, nilagyan ko siya ng sausawan. Okra. Ayan, okra at saka talong. So, may mangga yan. Saka brown rice. So, sausaw siya sa daing at saka itong suka. Guys, so ngayon, magano na yung asawa kong apam. Pakainin natin ng kamay. Guys, ayan na guys. Ayan na guys. Guys, ngayon, pakainin ko na yung asawa ko.
Look at this delicious foods. I cannot wait to eat. Okras. I love okra. Eggplants. Yummy, yum, yum. Fish. Lots of fish. Oh, mazarap. Crispy. Crispy. And fish. Very tasty.
That is head. Don't eat the
Just
head.
a fish. Nice fish. Mazarap. Oh, rice. I like lots of rice. Rice, yes. Rice. Rice again?
Rice, brown rice. Yep.
My favorite meals.
They have,
Hey.
you check the silly one.
Mazarap.
Yep.
Very tasty. So good for you. Good for your skin. To help with cancer. Okra. #1 vegetable. Fish. Fish is very good in antioxidants. Very good for your life. Prolong your life. Make you guapo.
Big the bones.
Mazarap. Eggplant.
Okay.
#1 also. Yummy, yummy.
And guys, okay.
All natural fiber. Very good. Make you healthy and strong. Make your wife happy.
And then you eat this one.
Mazarap.
Like this one. Okay, bye-bye na.
Enjoy your day. I'm enjoying mine. Yummy, yummy. Mazarap.
Okay, bye-bye. Guys, kumain na asawa ko. Pinamukbang ko muna. Ayun, kinain niya yung daing. Nagustuhan niya at saka yan. Okay guys, mag-bye-bye na ako. Bye-bye. Love you all. See you.